Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome T2000, a beast that blends heavy-duty trucking power with unmatched luxury living on wheels. From the outside, the T2000 demands attention. Its aerodynamic design, sleek black body with golden and bronze accents, and massive 60-wheeler structure make it more than just a motorhome. It's a mobile mansion built for all terrains, even the snowiest mountains. With a double floor, layout and chrome detailing throughout, it's clear this machine is designed for those who want size, style, and presence. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The interior is finished in a smooth white matte with bronze accents that give it a premium, sophisticated look. Right away, you're greeted with 10 VIP leather seats arranged in a lounge setup, each offering heating, massage, and full recline features. The lighting is ambient and soft, creating a cozy, high-class atmosphere. The VIP kitchen is fully equipped. Think induction cooktops, a full-size fridge, high-end cabinetry, and even a wine chiller. Everything's been carefully laid out to offer maximum comfort and functionality while on the move. Towards the rear, you'll find a spacious master bedroom. It features a king-sized bed, smart TV, personal climate control, and built-in wardrobes. Privacy doors ensure a peaceful retreat whenever needed, making this motorhome feel more like a luxury apartment. Underneath all the style is raw power. The T2000 is equipped with a high-torque diesel engine designed to pull its massive body smoothly and efficiently across any terrain. It's built for long hauls, steep climbs, and extreme conditions, all while keeping the passengers inside wrapped in comfort. If you're looking for a motorhome that delivers both performance and luxury on a massive scale, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 sets a new standard. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. See you in the next one.